So here is Photomator app, photo editor. This app was highlighted in App Awards from Apple. So let's just take a look, double click to install. And here you have this. Photomator is the most powerful photo editing app ever designed for mobile device. It includes an extensive collection of cutting-edge color adjustment, automatic selections, powered by AI, support for over 650 raw image formats, a magical repair tool for removing unwanted objects, and many more powerful features. Everything you need to make your photos look incredible. Edit photos using wide collection of powerful non-destructive color adjustments. Quickly make precise subject, sky, and background selections using AI. Effortlessly remove unwanted objects using an incredible object removal tool. Crop, rotate, instantly increase the resolution of photos. Remove camera noise. Magically remove so a lot of advanced features. This app doesn't have that many ratings though. It's not like of course, after App Awards, it's appeared in the top charts, but it wasn't here before. Like, and then here you have that. Can allow access to your photos. Unlimited access, yearly subscription, just $10. One license from Mac, iPad, and iPhone. Quite cheap, to be honest. And then there are more plans. Monthly subscription, $5. Lifetime, $100. Seems like a cheap app. So this was some other stuff I had. So yeah, I just wanna try. All right, so if you just take this photo and then I can just, this is already AI photo, and then it can just, use machine learning to highlight it. And then like, I will just select like my selfie. Whatever. You can just see it here like that. So that's the idea. And then you can also adjust it. You can crop it. You can change the styling. Here you can just also match colors. Here you can see how it was before, how it was updated. So here you can see that it adds kind of more warmth. So yeah, that's basically what it is here. And then yeah, so that's the idea. And then you can just have some settings. So kind of quite easy to use app, but the cool feature is just it has this machine learning feature, which supposed to increase the quality of the photo, and then cropping, and then some filters. It's not like that advanced, as you can see here. So yeah, at least that's how you can get started.